Good evening, everyone, students. So, today we will revise topics involving the Venn diagrams in numbers. I hand over Gayatri ma'am to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. And this is the classes conducted for SSC, TSRJC, CET, Polyset 2026. All right. So, hope you all are ready with your paper, your notebook, your pencil, and if required, your textbooks as well. All right. So, let us discuss questions under Venn diagrams involving numbers. All right. So just very carefully listen to all the revisions that is being done. And when it comes to sums, please do the sums and then give me your answers. Put your answers in the chat box. Any questions? You can always, we are ready to answer your questions and always write to us in our WhatsApp number 733-728-5228. I repeat 733-728-5228. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. All right, now let's move on to the Venn diagram involving numbers. So here comes the first sum. In a class of 30 students, 20 play kabaddi, 15 play kho. Each child plays at least one game. All right, so what does it mean? There are 30 students, each students play any one game at least, right? But there could be like students play both the games also, right? So in that, 20 play kabaddi, 15 play kho, right? Now let us represent kabaddi and kho players with Venn diagrams. See how it has been represented. For kho, it is 15. For kabaddi, it is 20. So there are three regions in this Venn diagram. So the arrow mark says students who play both kabaddi and kho. That's, we call it as an intersection, isn't it? A intersection B or kho intersection kabaddi. So that arrow marked place, it means that students who play both kabaddi and kho. All right. And now the other arrow mark, which is facing towards the kabaddi, there students who play only kabaddi. Okay. So students who play only kabaddi. And the other one, the left arrow mark says students who play only kho. All right. So students who play only kho. Right. Now in the class, there are 30 students and each child plays at least one game, kabaddi or kho or kabaddi and kho. So kabaddi plus kho is equal to 20 plus 15, 35. But there are only 30 students. This means that 5 students play both. Isn't it? It's logic. So they must be written in the overlap. Is it clear, students? Okay, right. So now there are 15 kho players, of which 5 are common. So how many play only kho is 15 minus 5, because the 5 students represents who play both kho and kabaddi. So if you take out 5 from kho, then you will get 10. So they play only kho, right? And here, how many students play only kabaddi? So again, you have 5 as a common. So 20 minus 5 is 15. So 15 play only kabaddi. All right. Hope this is clear. Now let us answer some questions. In a class of 45 students, so 20 plus 8, 28. So 7 to the 14, 15. Once again, 17, 25, 35, 45. Yes, total is 45. In a class of 45 students, students who play at least one of kho or kabaddi games. Yes. So students who play at least one of Kho-Kho or Kabaddi games. Right? So how many play Kho-Kho? How many play Kho-Kho? 17 plus 8. Because that 8 represents who play Kho-Kho and Kabaddi. So it is 17 plus 8, which is 25. Right? And how many play both games is 8. How many play only Kabaddi is, how many play Kabaddi? Not only, how many play Kabaddi is 20 plus 8, 28. Right. Now, in a class of 50 students, students have to choose at least one of dance or painting. So how many choose dance is 15 plus 6. See, please understand, they are not asking how many choose only dance. They are asking how many choose dance. 15 plus 16, which is 31, choose dance. How many choose both? 16. How many choose painting? Is 19 plus 16. That is 35. Is it clear? Right. Now, in a class of 20 students, students are given an option to choose football or cricket. 7 students did not choose any game as it was optional. Right? So please understand the question. In a class of 20 students, students are given an option to choose football or cricket. So they can either choose football or they can either choose cricket. 7 students did not choose any game as it was optional. Right? Yes. So now you can see students who play only football is 3, only cricket is 2, who play both is 8. Isn't it? Okay. So who play no game is 7. So total strength is 20. Now how many choose football? 3 plus 8. How many choose both? 8. How many choose cricket? 2 plus 8. Is it clear? Right. So now the questions that we saw so far was a pretty simple concept. Now we are moving on to a difficult questions. Right. Now, in a class of 35 students, students have to select at least one of the 3 games. So what are the 3 games we have here? Football, cricket, tennis. All right. So please understand the question. There are 3 games. So students have to select at least one. At least one, it means they can select 2 or they can select 3. So that no restriction. The restriction is any one they have to choose. All right. Yes. So now this 2 represents, or this number indicates students who play all 3 games. So 2 students play all the 3 games. Yes. Right. Next. The 3 represents, this number indicates students who play both cricket and football, but not tennis. All right. So this number indicates students who play both football and cricket, but not tennis. Okay. Then this 4 indicates, this number indicates students who play both cricket and tennis, but not football. Okay. So this number indicates students who play both cricket and tennis, but not football. Right. And this 5 indicates, this number indicates students who play both tennis and football, but not cricket. All right. So this 5 indicates students who play football and tennis, but not cricket. Right. And this 8 indicates students who play only cricket. 6 indicates students who play only football. 7 indicates students who play only tennis. Now let us answer a question. In a class of 40 students, students have to select at least one of 3 games: football, cricket, tennis. How many play all the 3 games? Yes. Now give your answers, put your answers in the chat box. Let's see. Yes. Good evening to all those who have joined and who's wished me. Put your answers in the chat box. I have Mother Madra, Anil Bengala, Afia, Vishnu. Yes. Diksha. Okay. So let's see how many of you have given me the correct answers. Yes. Anil says, giving me the correct answers. I have Afia, who says 3. Very good, Afia, you're right. I have Diksha. Diksha has yet to give the answers. I have Vishnu Janaki. Vishnu Janaki is yet to give me the answer. I have Vivo12306 who says 3. Yes, you're right. Vaishnavi says 3. You're right, Vaishnavi. Navatej God has yet to give me the answers. Supriya says 3. Very good. Manogna says 3. Right. So you are right. Next, I have Harshavardhan, who says, I think, yet to give the answer. All right. Yes. So now how many plays all 3 games is 3. Next, how many play cricket and tennis, but not football? How many play cricket and tennis, but not football? It should be 4. How many play cricket and football, but not? Now, how many play cricket and football is 4. It is 4 plus who play all 3? 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. Now, how many play football and tennis? How many play football and tennis? One second. All right. Now, how many play football and tennis? So it is 5 plus 3. Now, how many play cricket and tennis? How many play cricket and tennis, which is 4 plus 3? Now, how many do not play football? How many do not play football? So we should not include football circle. All others you should add. Is it clear? So I should add 8 plus 4 plus 10, which is 22. So 22 do not play football. Right. How many do not play tennis? We should not include tennis circle. So 6 plus 4 plus 8. How many do not play cricket? You should not include cricket. So 6 plus 5 plus 10. How many play football and tennis? So, but not cricket. How many play football and tennis, but not cricket? It is 5. Okay, how many play football and tennis, but not cricket? Right? All right. Yes. Now, let us answer another question. In a class of 50 students, Students have to select at least one of the three subjects: maths, physics, economics. Details are given below, right? So we have the details, which says how many selected maths. So put your answers in the chat box. How many selected maths? So how many selected maths? You should fully add the math circle. Yes, I hope you all are giving me the answers. So 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. That's what I told you. How many selected maths means add all the numbers which comes under the math circle, which is 22 students. How many selected physics? So you should add the physics circle, which is 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11. How many selected physics is 3 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11, which is 25. Yes. Next, how many selected economics? Obviously, you will take only the economic circle. 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10. All right. Now, how many selected maths but not physics? So put your answers in the chat box. Next, you can check your answers after this. How many selected maths but not physics? How many selected maths but not physics? So 4 represents who has selected all 3. So 6 represents who has selected maths and economics. 3 represents who has selected maths and physics. So now your question says they want maths but not physics. So you should take 9 plus 6. Under maths circle, you see 4 has opted, 4 has selected all 3. So you should not take that because physics is there in that. 3 consists of maths and physics. So 3 you should not take because we should avoid physics. So 6 consists of maths and economics. So you are taking 9 plus 6. Next, how many selected physics but not economics? So you should take maths and physics. So physics is 11 plus maths and physics is 3, which is 14. You should not take 4 because all 3 are in that. You should not take 7 because it consists of economics and physics. So you should take 11 plus 3, which is 14. Hope you all have given me the correct answer, students. How many selected physics but not maths? How many selected physics but not maths? So 1 minute time is given to you to quickly select it. So put your answers in the chat box. Yes, your time is running, students. All right, let's see the answer. It is how many has selected physics but not maths? So you will take 11 plus 7, which is 18. Right, next, how many selected maths but not economics? So you will take 9 plus 3, which is 12 students. How many selected economics but not physics? How many selected economics but not physics? So it is 10. So how many selected economics but not physics? So it is 10 plus 6 is 16. How many selected economics but not maths? Yes, put your answers properly in the chat box. How many selected economics but not maths? So it is 10 plus 7, 17. All right? Yes. Now, how many selected maths and physics but not economics? How many selected maths and physics but not economics? So it is, how many selected both maths and physics is 3. That's all. Right. Now, how many selected maths and economics but not physics? Which is 6. Yeah, next. How many selected physics and economics but not maths? How many selected physics and economics but not maths? So physics and economics is 7. 7 students. All right. Now, see the next. See this, in a class of 55 students, 50 students have selected at least one of 3 subjects: maths, physics, economics. 5 students did not select any subject. Details given below. How many did not select maths? Yes, students, put your answers in the chat box. How many did not select maths? So you can take your full 1 minute to give the answers. Don't take more than that. Let's see the answer. It is 55 minus 9 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3. Why? How many did not select maths is, from the total students of 55, we are deducting 9. Okay. So how many did not select maths? So from the total, you are deducting who have selected maths. That's all. So you will get who have not selected maths. So 55 minus 9 minus 6 minus 4 minus 3 will give you 33. Right. So, or 5 plus 10 plus 7 plus 11. But the first one was pretty easy. How many did not select physics? So quickly give me your answers. How many did not select physics? Yes. Quickly give me your answers. You can take 2 minutes, not more than that. How many did not select physics? Right. So total 55. Okay. From that you deduct the physics circle 3, 4, 7, 11 will give you 30. Right. Now your next question is how many did not select economics? So quickly give your answer, students. How many did not select economics? So from the total, you can minus economics. So take 1 minute time, not more than that, and then give your answers in the chat box. Let's see. It is 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 11, which is 28. Right. Now, the next question. Which of the following is true? So this question was asked in the year 2022. Which of the following is true? Is it the first option, second option, third option, or fourth option? Give your answers in the chat box after taking 1 full minute. Your time is running, students. And the answer is option 2. Right. Now, for this, we will check with the students who all have given the correct answer. Okay. So set A, we say it is A, comma, B, comma, C, comma, D. Then the number of subsets of A are dash. What is the number of subsets of A? Is it 8? Is it 12? Is it 16? Or is it 20? 8, 12, 16, 20. So quickly think over it and then give your answers in the chat box. Your time is running. Yes, I am getting a lot of answers. Okay, it is 16. How? A set having n members has 2 power n subsets. As the set has 4 members, it is 2 power n, which is 2 power 4. So it is 16 subsets. So who all have given me the answers? I have with me Navatej, Vaishnavi, Vivo, Janaki, Diksha, Afia, Anil, Madra. Yeah, then I have Diksha, Nasbin, Sushma, Vaishnavi, and Satvika. Yes, good students. Good that you all are giving correct answers. Now, let's move on to the next question. Cardinal number of the set A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So this question was asked in the year 2021. Right? So cardinal number of the set A is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. is dash. Five, 4 minus 2, 2. So I'm sure you all are giving me the correct answers. Yes, now let's see. It is 5. Cardinal number of a set is a number of elements in the set, right? So which means that the set has 5 elements. What all elements? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So the cardinal number of the set is 5. Right, now next question. A is equal to C, B, I, D, 19, 20, 20. B is equal to C, O, V, I, D, 19, 20, 21. Then what is B minus A? What is B minus A? So I'm sure you all can give me the correct answers. B minus A is nothing but it should be in B, but not in A. Okay, so it should be in B, but not in A. B minus A, right? So it should be in B, but not in A. So there is only one in the 2021, which is there in B, but not in A, because other things like C, O, V, I, D, 19, everything, all these things are already there. So your answer must be option 2, 2021. Yes. See, we are right. Now, right, next. We have A is equal to set A, B is equal to A comma B, C is equal to A comma B comma C. Then what is A intersection B intersection C? Right? So what is A intersection B intersection C? Quickly do it, students. What is A intersection B intersection C? Okay. Let's see this A. So what is A intersection B is A. That intersection C is also only A. Right. Now, the cardinal number of set A, 1, 2, 4 is dash. So just now we saw cardinal element is nothing but the number of the elements in set A. Am I right? The number of elements in set A. So we have 1, 2, 4, which is, there are 3 elements. Isn't it, students? So we have 3 elements, that is 1, 2, 4. So the cardinal number must be the number of elements. Isn't it? Okay. Right. Now, so it is 3 as I said, because the number of distinct elements in a finite set is called its cardinal number. Is it clear, students? So hope you all are understanding the cardinal number concepts. All right. So if you want, you can also take down this kind of definition like for the cardinal number. Right. Now, you have set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. Set B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Right? So what is A intersection B? So what does A intersection B means? What are the common elements that A and B share? Right? Or what are the common elements between A and B? What are the common elements between A and B? It's very simple. Quickly do it and put your answers in the chat box. So we have 4, 5. That's on option 3. Right? Yes. See the next question. From the Venn diagram, what is B minus A? What is B minus A? Quickly give me your answers. You can take 1 full minute, not more than that. Your time is running. All right. What is B minus A means? What is there in B must not be there in A, isn't it? So what is there in B must not be there in A. So what is there in B which is not in A? Right? So this question was asked in the year 2018. So it is 6, 7. Right. Now, see the next question. A is equal to A, B, C, D. Then number of subsets for A is dash. Number of subsets for A is dash. One full minute you can take, students, to think. Number of subsets. Okay. It is 16. 4 power 2 power 4. Yeah. So A is equal to ABCD, which implies n of A is 4. So number of subsets of A is 2 power n. The formula is 2 power n for subset. So it is 2 power 4, which is 16. Right. Now let's see who all have given the correct answers. Yeah, I have here Afia, Anil, Vengala, Madara, Diksha, Nasbeen, Sushma, Vaishnavi, Satvika, Navatej, God, Diksha, Vivo on to 306, Vaishnavi, Supriya. Good students. that you all are giving me the correct answers. Now let's move on to the next question. This was asked in the year 2018. From the diagram, estimate sum of elements in A union B intersection C. Okay, so from the diagram, estimate sum of elements in A union B intersection C. So, what is A union B and intersection C? Take your 1 full minute, students, not more than that, but quickly give me your answers. All right, so what is A union B intersection C? What is A union B intersection C? All right, let's see. It is 9. Okay. See, A union B is you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 9. That intersection C is 2, 3, 4. Because in C we have 2, 3, 4, 10. So that intersection C will be only 2, 3, 4. And what is that they're asking? Estimate the sum of the elements, which means 2 plus 3 plus 4. The sum of the elements 2 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. All right. So I hope you all would have done it correctly and understood the concept, because these are all very simple steps and this shouldn't take much of your time. Quickly you can, find the answers and choose your option. All right. With this, let's move on to the next question. How many subsets the set P 0, 1, 2, 3 will have? So this was asked in the year 2018. So subset is 2 power n. N over here is 4. Am I right? So this is what the last sum we did. So how many subsets the set P 0, 1, 2, 3 will have? So 2 to the power n. 2 to the power 4. Right? So of course it is 16 again. Right? So the number of subsets are 2 power n, which is 2 to the power 14, which is 16. Hope you all have understood and done the sum correctly. Next, if n of A minus B is 5, n of A intersection B is 2, what is n of A? If n of A minus B is 5, n of A intersection B is 2, then what is n of A? So this was asked in the year 2018. Is the option 3, 4, 6, 7. Quickly give me your answer, students. Yes, so 1 full minute you can take. All right, so your answer is 7. Right, so n of A is 7 because n of A minus B is 5. So n of A intersection B is 2. So we have the formula n of A is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B, which is 5 plus 2. All right. So n of A is equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B, which is 5 plus 2, which is 7. Right. If A and B are two sets, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. Right. So if A and B are two sets, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. So this was asked in the year 2017, then it should be a null set. Right. Next, the shaded figure, the shaded area and the figure is dash. A intersection B union C, or A intersection B intersection C, or A union B intersection C, or A union B union C. So quickly give me your answer, students. It should be A intersection B union C. Next, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C is 4, 5, 6, what is A intersection B? So it is 4, 5, 6. So what is 4, 5, 6? Nothing but C. Yes, C, the answer is right. Right. Next, if A and B are subsets of a universal set mu, then A intersection B complement is equal to dash. A intersection B complement. So this was asked in the year 2017, which is A minus B. Right. So you can put your own numbers as example. So A you can take, B they've given. So what is B complement is this, and A intersection B complement is 4, 6, 8, 10. Now you can also verify the action. You can also verify the options. Right. N of A is 15, N of B is 10, N of A intersection B is 5. Then what is N of A union B? So this was asked in the year 2017. N of A union B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So 25 minus 5 is 20, which should be option 3. Yes. This is a formula. N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Right. If A is a subset of B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. So this was asked in the year 2016. If A is a subset of B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash, which is C. Right. If A is equal to X such that X, which is an element of N, 3 is less than or equal to X less than or equal to 6, then A is equal to dash. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Right? So it should be less than or equal to 6. So it should be 3 less than, means it should be X should be an element of N, 3 less than or equal to X. So it should be option 2. Right. Next. If A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number less than 12, and B is equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 12, then what is A intersection B? What is A intersection B? So it should be 2, because it is an even natural number, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, less than 12. B is a prime number less than 12, means 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So A intersection B is 2. Right. Next, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7. What is A minus B? What is there in A? It should not be there in B. So 1 is there in A, which is not there in B. 2, 3 is there. So it should be 1, 2, 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. So this was asked in the year 2016. Right, now here we go. Afia, Anil, Madara, Diksha, Nasbeen, Sushma, Vaishnavi, Satvika. I have Supriya, Navadej, Vivo, Vishnu Janaki, Diksha. Many of you have given me the correct answers. So it is 1, 2, 3. Right. Among the following, a null set is where n is a set of natural numbers. X such that x is less than 5, x is an element of n, x such that x square is equal to 4, x is an element of n, x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0, x is an element of n, x such that x is even prime. So it is x such that x square plus 1 is equal to 0, x is an element of n. A subset of B, then A minus B is dash. If A is a subset of B, then A minus B is dash. So this was asked in the year 2017. Okay. So quickly give me your answers. It is null set. Next, if n of A is 5, n of B is 5, n of A union B is 8, then n of A intersection B is dash. So what is n of A intersection B? You can use a formula for this. Right? So it is 2. How? If n of A union B is formula is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection C. Right, next. If A is equal to x such that x is an element of n, 1 less than x less than 10, then n of A is equal to dash. It is nothing but n of A is 8. They've given the answer. Identify the disjoint sets among the following: A minus B, B minus A, or A minus B A, or B minus A B, or none. So this was asked in the year 2015, which is A minus B, B minus A. Because A minus B intersection B minus A is equal to null set, which means A minus B, B minus A are disjoint sets. Right. So A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. Is it A, B, C, or null set? So this was asked in the year 2015. What is the option? It is A. We can see here A is a subset of B, B is a subset of C, which means A is a subset of C. A intersection B is equal to A union C is equal to A. So A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C, which is A union A, which is A. Right? Yes. Next, if A is equal to A, x such that x is an element of n, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7, then what is A? So this was asked in the year 2015, 1, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Right? So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now if A is equal to prime numbers less than 20, B is equal to whole numbers less than 10, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. So prime numbers less than 20, you can list it out. How? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. B is a whole number. Whole number means 0 is included. Whole. Okay, so 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what should be there in A should not be there in B. So 11, 13, 17, 19. B minus A is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. No, 0, 1, 4, 5 is there, 6, 8, 9. So these both, the intersection is null set. All right. So hope you all have understood and enjoyed today's class, and very happy that many of you gave me correct answers. So hope you all will revise after the classes also. So if you have any doubt, you can always WhatsApp us to our WhatsApp number 733-728-5228. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. All right. Thanks for joining. Tomorrow we'll have another very interesting classes with interesting topics. Over to you, Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, again, we will meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Bye, everyone.